Christ our wisdom, we are humbled when you hide your ways from us. You have purposes unnumbered, each one good and glorious. Help us trust when we grow weary, free us from our anxious thoughts. Give us grace to see more clearly, you are God and we are not. Christ our wisdom, be our gladness when we fail to understand. You ordain all joy and sadness to fulfill your perfect plan. Help us know you rule with power over every raging flood. In our most uncertain hour, you are God and we are loved. Christ our wisdom, we will follow, though the way ahead is veiled. As we journey through the shadows, grant us faith where sight has failed. Help us cling to your commandments, strengthened by your faithful word. We will never be abandoned. You are God and we are yours. Christ our wisdom, we adore you for the beauty of the cross. Once in foolishness we scorned you, but your blood has ransomed us. Help us sing the endless mercies of your humble heart to save. Christ our wisdom, Christ our glory, you are God forever praised. Help us sing